Welcome back with another video tutorial. In this video, I will show you about the hang and restart problem in Vivo Y03. So if your device hang or restarts automatically while using, I will tell you how you can fix this issue. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. For further detail, let's watch the video.